your department, sir. Isme, they gave wrong figures. From your department, they gave wrong figures. And not one challenge, sir. Even Doordarshan carried this, stating that कि SC, STs के पैसों को कम करके मुसलमानों को दे दिया गया. And no clarification was issued from the government side. So you see, sir, what is written here. Meme, Bheem, empty slogan. Minorities first, not SC, STs. 33 crore allocation for Ramzan celebration. You see. Sir, we have to have a department which would immediately give a clarification to these newspapers and say that no, the actual allocation is this. We haven't reduced the allocation for SC, STs. In fact, we have increased the allocation. It's wrong what they are saying. But it wasn't said, sir. आप देखिए sir, ये कितनी खराब बात है. Not one channel, sir, 7-8 channels, debate, सब हो रहे हैं. Doordarshan also said. So INPR department, this is why I say, sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, this is why I say there should be a check on the bureaucrats and the concerned department. They should be held responsible for the figures which they are giving to the minister and which minister is spelling out in this house and which is getting printed. कैसा बताइए आप? कोई नहीं है उसके बारे में बोलने वाला. I hope that this has been taken a note, a serious issue, and INPR department issues a clarification in this and corrects this and says that this government treats SC, ST, BCs, Muslims, Christians, Sikh, Isai, Parsi, everyone treats equally. This government is not partial towards one or impartial towards another. We have to give a statement. So this needs to be clarified, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir. Sir, about the BC welfare, sir. Sir, I'm sorry, I want to come on record and say that, sir, BCs are always being neglected. Why, sir? BRS government, sir. Sir, they neglected. My learned friend was there with me in Public Accounts Committee, sir. Sridhar Babu Sahab. Sir, I was really surprised to see the figures when I see, sir, BC के साथ नाइंसाफी की BRS ने, इसलिए BCओं ने इनका साथ छोड़ा और आपका साथ दिया. Kindly do justice to BC, sir. There are many BCs के संगम है, sir. उनको 10 साल में 0,000 अमाउंट दिया इन्होंने. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप देंगे. Sir, in Andhra Pradesh Assembly, sir, when I used to be there, we had one BC leader, sir. I'm just forgetting his name. Yes, Krishna Sahab. Sir, the way he used to fight for BC, sir, he used to inspire me to fight in the same way for minorities, sir. But I feel like, you know, from last 10 years, this house has many BCs, but we do not have the real BC leader who would fight for the BCs. But I assure to my BC friends that they might not have a friend, but they have a friend in Akbar Owaisi and MIM who will fight for the BCs and who will fight and get the required funds for the BCs. It is high time that the BCs, SC, STs and minorities should come together and teach a lesson to all those who do injustice to the BCs, who do injustice to the SCs and STs and minorities, sir. Sir, BCs का हम देखते हैं, sir. Sir, BCs including among the minorities constitute almost 50% of the state population. The budgetary allocation for these sections is only 9,200 crores, sir. 50% BCs है, 50% उनकी आबादी है और बजट एलोकेशन सिर्फ 9,200. जागो BCs, उठो BCs, आओ तुम और हम मिलकर लड़ेंगे और हक को हासिल करेंगे. As promised in the manifesto of the Congress, has established new cooperative society cooperation for Mudiraj, Yadava, Kurma, Munuru Kapu, Padmashali, Parika, Lingayat, Meera and Gangaputra caste in addition to the 12 existing cooperative societies, Federation for various BC caste and BC Cooperative Finance Corporation, MBC Development Corporation, sir. So however, in the last financial year, sir, 23-24, not a single rupee was disbursed by the Vadera, Balija, Valmiki, Boya, Bhataraja, Medera, Vishwa Brahmin, Kumari Toddy Tappers Cooperative Society and Federation, sir. एक